Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. I've just bought this Canon EOS M50. It's been out for a year. It's a mirrorless dual pixel autofocus camera. Now I'm generally a Nikon person, but I've been admiring the output from this and watching the reviews over the year for this camera, and I'm quite impressed with what everybody's saying about it. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. It's a £600 mirrorless camera, and it comes with a 15 to 45 Canon M mount lens, but it's only £1 in weight, which is incredible, and the video from it is quite remarkable, as well as the photography. So I quite like it, so I've decided to dive in there and get one. I think for vlogging purposes the weight will make a huge difference, and I'm looking forward to taking it around with me. I think, as I say, when you're travelling around, it's the weight that matters the most, but for me, for vlogging purposes, the dual pixel autofocus, where it's tracking my face all the time, albeit that is in the superb 1080p, it is exactly what you want. But it does have the ability to record in 4K, but unfortunately the 4K is cropped down by 2.6 times, so it's a little bit disappointing. And there's the dual pixel autofocus, which is what Canon is really famous for, as well as colour. Colour for Canon cameras is always remarkable. The dual pixel autofocus is not available in the 4K at the moment, and it is available in it, but it's because Canon have got more expensive cameras that they charge a lot for, that have that this could do it really. Okay, let's start unboxing. Warranty documentation, full manual. Thank you for choosing Canon, no problem. UK power supply. Canon EOS neckband. The battery, which we'll talk about later. Canon EOS 15 to 45 M series mount. Very, very small, neat. And the camera itself, which was very small. It's got some nice weight to it, and a great grip. Perfect. Yeah, it feels good. I mean, people keep saying it feels very plasticky, but it feels fine to me on the initial impressions. A small dial, just a single small dial. But of course, more importantly, one of the reasons why I've got it is because of the fold-out flippy screen, which is essential for vlogging, and it's a touch screen, so you can make adjustments while you're vlogging. So it's perfect. The only thing it doesn't, although you can check that the microphone input, for which there is one microphone input, which is essential, it doesn't show it on the normal screen when you're using it. so you can't monitor the audio while you're recording, which is a shame. I'd like to see them change that in a firmware update. But this is an amazing piece of kit. And of course you can protect it while it's packed away. So yeah, my initial impressions are very good. And I like the rubber feel for the handle. I was a bit worried that it would feel too sort of plasticky because of the price, but it feels like a much more expensive piece of kit to me. But look at the size of it, it's remarkable, I think. And as I say, it's mirrorless, my first mirrorless camera, but I didn't want anything heavy because I was thinking about the Nikon Z6, and I may well get that because I have an investment in a lot of Nikon equipment, but I do have a lot of Canon equipment as well. But I think it doesn't matter at this stage because this is just going to be a travel and vlogging camera. So I think I don't mind the fact that it's much, the whole point is it's smaller. And I will look at the lenses because I understand that you know, a wider Canon lens might be the next thing I might purchase. But it's already a 15 to 45, and apparently that's a very good lens. So we will see. You get the battery charger, which is good. I do like the proper Canon chargers. Although plugging in USBs seems to be the norm these days, this is I prefer a proper charger. That's everything, I think. Do like their packaging. It looks very professional. Very neat, tiny lens. Look at that. I'm loving it already. Yeah, that is so light, but it's heavy enough that it feels good quality, as I say. Yes, first impressions are good. But it's the dual pixel autofocus that is hard to beat with Canon. I don't have that, but the mirrorless is what I like to play with. The new touchscreen interface for it, it's all looking good so far, but the quality of the video and photography from it is apparently very good. More importantly, it's £600 UK normally, but I've managed to pick this up for £399, which seems an unbelievable bargain. And at the moment, Canon are doing a cashback of £60, so that will make this £340. Anybody out there, please tell me what mirrorless camera you can get for that kind of price, of this kind of quality. I'd be really interested. So £340 I think is a bargain. Hopefully this is going to go everywhere with me. I was talking about the battery and mentioned that's been mentioned quite a lot because it is one of the Canon's smaller capacity batteries. Obviously they've chosen it probably because of the weight. It is lightweight and small. Apparently it's good for 250 photos or about 85 minutes of video, but that seems pretty good to me. What videographer or photographer isn't going to have more than one battery anyway? So I would rather have the lightweight capacity. Seems pretty good to me. I'm going to charge it up now and then test it out.